Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize app colors on your iPhone iOS 18. So you can actually customize, app options and icons and widgets on the home screen. You can change their color, you can add a tint, you can make them larger, you can make them smaller. Okay, you can even remove the app name. Really easy and simple to do this, guys. First things first, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the home screen, okay? And then you just want to touch and hold the home screen background until the icons begin to jiggle, okay? And then you want to just tap on edit. An option will pop up at the top of the screen, and then just choose customize. And you can do any of the following, guys. You can go ahead and either make the icons bigger, you can choose a dark or light appearance for the icons or widgets. All right, you can also add a color tint to the icons and widget. You can just tap on tinted right here, and then you can use the sliders to choose the color and saturation, right? You can also use the eyedropper to select a color in your wallpaper for the icons. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.